How you doing? And today we are looking at another boot review. We are going to be doing the iconic 1460 Doc Martens Airwear Crazy Horse. Let's go. So before we review these boots, I wanted to give you a little bit of a backstory about how these came about. So in 1945, a German soldier named Dr. Martens was in Munich and had a bad foot and wanted something that was a bit more comfortable than the heavy-soled, hard-bottomed boots of the day. And he came up with this design, this revolutionary design with an airwear bottom. Using borrowed equipment, he teamed up with his mate, Dr. Funk, great name, and they came up with this design. This design was back then known as Dr. Martens Airwear, which you can actually see still on the back of the tags of these boots. In 1959, a British shoemaker called R. Briggs bought the rights to produce this air-cushioned sole and designed this new boot. They thought that the name was a little bit too German, post-war Europe, and so changed it to the name Doc Martens, the name that we have today. They added a yellow stitch around the outside, a two-tone sole, and the iconic black and yellow tag on the back with the words "with bouncing soles" on the back. The boot was launched on April the 1st, 1960, and that is when the iconic 1460 was born. Initially, the boot was designed for postmen and workers. It was then adopted by subcultures in the late 60s, that being the skinheads and the punks, and then the goths and the grunge, becoming a global symbol of rebellion and expression. Now this particular boot, the Crazy Horse 1460, comes out of the box looking already sort of worn and lived in. And the nice thing about this boot, as it goes on, as you wear it more, it becomes even more worn in and looks more rugged and, can I say, used. And what you get is instant personality. And the nice thing about these boots is that they clean up really well. A little bit of balsam on there, a little bit of saddle soap, rubbed in gently, and these boots will last you a long time. Build quality, what are they like? Well, I'm going to be honest with you, they're not as good as Red Wing boots or Thursday boots or other brands of boots in that sort of category, that $600, $300 US price range. These are a good quality boot for the amount of money that you pay. You've got a traditional lace-up system, stitching and grooves around the side with the iconic tag on the back. The leather is soft and very comfortable. The difference is in the soles. Now these are airwear soles. These are cemented on, they're glued on, unlike some of their more premium boots like your Red Wings, which are Goodyear welts, which means resoling can be difficult. Although there are companies online that I've seen in the UK that can resole these for you. See in the comments below, and I'll leave a link to that. The Airwave sole is filled with little air pockets in there, which makes the spring in your step, makes it soft, makes it spongy. That helps with fatigue, especially if you're on your feet for long periods of the day. Comfort winner early on are definitely the Doc Martens. Over the long term, I'm not sure if I was comparing Red Wings with these. Yeah, straight out of the box, more comfortable. Over a long period of time, I'm not sure, it may be a bit closer. But both these boots become exceptional over time. Sizing, what are these like? Like the Red Wings, these also run a little large, so you can get a step down half a size if you wish. The question you're asking yourself, what is the break-in period like on these boots? Well, some people say they can slip them on and they're comfortable right out of the box. Other people say they take a few weeks. What I will say is these are really soft leather, really comfy and really spongy. I slip them on, instantly comfortable. These boots aren't trying to be like your premium boots, like your Red Wings or your R.M. Williams. These are more of a serious contender for a good value boot at a lower price point in the market. Now, you can pick these boots up for 200 Aussie dollars. I actually picked these ones up for $100 online on Marketplace. So who's this boot for? This is very much a casual boot. I wouldn't say you could wear this at work unless you're working on a factory floor or outside, outdoors. You can even wear this on your motorbike. Good quality boot for the price point, exceptional value. Are they as good as built as the Red Wings or your R.M. Williams? No, I would say not, because of the sole being cemented on the bottom. Comfort wise, very comfortable all day wear, but definitely a more casual boot. I wouldn't say you could wear these as a dress boot, definitely not. Much more casual, much more with a pair of jeans, pair of cords rolled up. But yeah, great boots, can't beat the value. It's a definitely thumbs up for me. Will I be wearing these over the red boots? No, I wear both. So they have different jobs, but both exceptional, both great quality boots. So bargain or dud? Let me know in the comments which boots you prefer. Let me know if you've got a pair of Crazy Horse like this and what your experience has been with these. It's a big thumbs up from me. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.